Okay, guys, so I want to actually fix the timing of this now. So let's hit the P again, and you can see where my keyframes are. Um, you'll see
Hi,
how
my name.
when I have that keyframe come in, watch my high. Notice the timing with the word coming in aligned with my keyframe distance.
Hi, my name.
Okay, so I am going to see if maybe I move this keyframe over. Let's see what happens.
Hi, my.
Okay, so I'm getting better here. It's just going to speed it up for me.
Hi,
Okay, and then so now we're going into my name is.
my name is Ellen.
Okay, so my name is Ellen needs to come in a lot faster. So I'm just going to play around with these keyframes and see if that'll go faster.
Hi, my name is Ellen.
Okay, still a little bit. I wonder if I can just bump this over to the side. So do you see how you just kind of have to play with it?
My name is Ellen.
Is needs to come in faster. Let's see.
Hi, my name is Ellen.
Okay, Ellen needs to come in a lot faster. All right, so Ellen is here. Let's move that to the side and let's see how this goes.
Hi, my name is Ellen.
Okay, so it's better. The other thing is, remember when we did that easy ease? It just kind of makes it better. So if you press F9 on your keyboard, let's see here, F9. Nope, that didn't work for me. Okay, so let's add those easy ease. So select your keyframes, control click. You're gonna go down to keyframe assistance and easy E. Easy Ease, not Easy E. That was like a rap artist when I was younger. Okay, so if you click on that, that just makes it a little bit more fluid. So let's see if the F9 will work for me here. F9, not working. So let's see if I can just click all of these at one time so I don't have to keep doing it. Control click, keyframe assistant, easy ease. All right, now let's check it out.
Ellen koʻu inoa. Hi, my name is Ellen.
Hey, it looks pretty sweet. So, but notice now that because I moved those, now look at the end. Notice how some of them disappear.
My name is Ellen.
Oh, they disappear. Okay, so I don't want them to disappear like that. I want them to line up. So I'm going to shift, click, and hold all of these, and then I'm going to press my Option close bracket, and now they'll all be the same.
Noah. Hi, my name is Ellen.
And if you didn't know my name before, you know it now. Okay, so go ahead and let's see how well you can line up your animation to your voice, the timing, using the position.